Now, in this video, we are going to discuss on multiple and submultiple angles. We also call it as half angle formulas. Now, this particular topic is not prescribed in your textbook or it is not there in your syllabus, but we require it also. Okay, so in order to do the problems, now we are not discussing the problems in this session, but in 12th standard definitely we will require this submultiple and multiple angles, that is the half angle formulas. Okay, there is nothing much, but there's something that is already known to you and we will deduce something from that. Okay, so now as I have written on the board, we have sin 2x is equal to what? 2 sin x cos x, or it can be written as 2 tan x by 1 plus tan squared x, and cos 2x cos squared x minus sin squared x, or even it can be written as 2 cos squared x minus 1, or in terms of sin square 1 minus 2 sin squared x. In terms of tan, 1 minus tan squared x by 1 plus tan squared x. And that of tan 2x is what? 2 tan x by 1 minus tan squared x. Now, let's see the half angle formula. That means I'm just reducing this angle into its half. That gives me sin x is equal to 2 sin. So, when I reduce this into half, automatically this becomes half. Okay, corresponding values. So, x by 2 into cos of x by 2. I reduced into half. This is same as 2 tan x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. This is the half angle formula for sin 2x. Now coming to cos 2x, that is cos x, that is cos squared x by 2 minus sin square x by 2, or it can be written as 2 cos squared x by 2 minus 1, or it can be written as 1 minus 2 sin square x by 2. In terms of tan, 1 minus tan squared x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. As I have all the angles here, I have reduced it into half to this side. That gives me the multiple angles or the submultiple angles or the half angles, whichever way you want you can call it. So tan x is equal to what? 2 tan x by 2 by 1 minus tan square x by 2. So these are the half angles which we need to discuss. Now one more thing children I would like to discuss here is cos 2x is equal to 2 cos squared x minus 1. Isn't it or not? What is the half angle here? This implies the half angle, I can write this as cos x is equal to, there is a x here, 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1. Okay, so what is cos square x by 2? Can I write it as 1 plus cos x by 2? Cos squared x by 2, can I write it as 1 plus cos x by 2? Yes? Yes. Now similarly, sin 2x. Sin 2x is equal to what? Now here I have this as, or in terms of cos 2x in terms of sin x, I can write this as what? 1 minus 2 sin squared x, correct? 1 minus 2 sin squared x. So 2 sin squared x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x, or sin squared x is equal to what? 2 cos 2x by 2. Okay, 2 cos 2x by 2. Now this is, I have not reduced it using the half angle formula. If I apply the half angle formula, how will it become? That is sin x by 2. Sorry, sin square x by 2 is equal to 1 minus cos x by 2. So there are formulas of this kind also, from here I am reducing these formulas. Okay, here again, if I, as I have written it for this, I can write it as cos squared x is equal to 1 plus cos 2x by 2 also. So these are some these are some formulas that are deduced from the known formulas. Okay, so I don't treat these as another formula, but these are some formulas that I deduced from the existing formulas. Okay. Just go through this, do it by yourself, simplify it, and then you will know it in great detail. Okay. Now in this video we are discussing more on problems. Now before I move on to the problems, children, I still remind you that you need to study the formulas thoroughly. Only then you will be able to do the problems from this session. Okay, so study the formulas before you do the problems. Okay, so moving on to the first question. I have cos 3 pi by 4 plus x minus cos 3 pi by 4 minus x is equal to minus of root 2 sin x. This is what I need to prove. So, I know that what is cos x minus cos y? According to the formula, it is minus 2 sin x plus y by 2 sin x minus y by 2. Okay, so here I apply this formula. So LHS is equal to minus 2 sin 3 pi by 4 plus x plus 3 pi by 4 minus x by 2 into sine of 3 pi by 4 plus x minus 3 pi by 4 minus of minus plus x by 2. Now here this and this cancels, x and minus x cancels. This gives me minus 2 sine 3 pi by 4 plus 3 pi by 4, 2 times 3 pi by 4. So 2 and 2 cancels to give me 3 pi by 4 into sine of x plus x, 2x, 2x by 2, x. Okay, so this is equal to minus 2 sine. How do I simplify this? Pi minus pi by 4, isn't it? Into sine x. Now what is sine of pi minus theta or pi minus x? It is coming in the second quadrant where sine is positive. So it is sine of pi by 4 into sine x. What is sine pi by 4 by the way? This is 2 times sine pi by 4 is what? 1 by root 2 into sine x. Now root 2 goes here how many times? Root 2 times. So minus of root 2 into sine x. So isn't the same as my RHS? So that gives me the proof. Now coming to the second question here. It is to prove that sine 2x plus 2 sine 4x plus sine 6x is equal to 4 cos squared x into sine 4x. Now I club these two terms first. Okay, so I will write LHS equals sine 6x plus sine 2x plus 2 sine 4x. Okay, now the next issue is what is sine x plus sine y? We know that sine x plus sine y is sine x plus sine y is equal to 2 sine x plus y by 2 cos x minus y by 2. Okay, this is the formula for sine x plus sine y. 2 sine x plus y by 2 cos x minus y by 2. So in that case, what is sine 6x plus sine 2x? 2 sine 6x plus 2x by 2 into cos 6x minus 2x by 2 plus what is remaining? 2 sine 4x remains here. Now this is equal to 2 sine 8x by 2, that is 4x, cos 6x minus 2x, 4x by 2, 2x plus 2 sine 4x. Now I may take 2 sine 4x common out. What do I get? Cos 2x plus 1. Cos 2x plus 1. Now again I know that cos 2x is equal to 2 cos squared x. 2 cos squared x minus 1. So I apply for cos 2x as 2 cos squared x minus 1. So 2 sine 4x into 2 cos squared x minus 1 plus 1. This plus 1 is here. So minus 1 and plus 1 cancels. 2 into 2, 4 cos squared x into sine 4x. Now isn't this same as the RHS here? So this is equal to the RHS and that gives me the proof. Am I clear? Now let's come to the next question. Sin x plus sin 3x by cos x plus cos 3x is equal to tan 2x. This is the next question that we need to prove. So here I have the formula. What is sin x plus sin y? It is 2 sin x plus y by 2 cos x minus y by 2. Further, what is cos x plus cos y? It is 2 cos x plus y by 2 cos x minus y by 2. So this is what I am going to apply in this problem to solve. So LHS equals, what is that? 2 sine of x plus 3x by 2 cos of 3x minus x by 2. Because I write the greater angle first and then the smaller angle. Divided by 2 cos 3x plus x by 2 cos 3x minus x by 2. So what do I get? This gives me 2 sine 4x by 2, that is 2x, cos 2x by 2 cos x by 2 cos 4x by 2 2x, then here cos x. Now here 2 and 2 cancels, cos and cos cancels, won't I get tan 2x, which is my RHS, and hence the proof. Okay, coming to the next one. Cos 4x plus cos 3x plus cos 2x by sin 4x plus sin 3x plus sin 2x. Now here I club these two and these two. Why? Because this gives me the even angle and I can divide it by 2 completely. Okay, so here which are the formulas that I need? That is cos x plus cos y. What is cos x plus cos y? This is exactly what I have written here. Okay, so I needn't write, still I write 2 cos x plus y by 2 cos x minus y by 2. Further, the next one is sin x plus sin y. Sin x plus sin y. What is sin x plus sin y? 2 sin x plus y by 2 cos x minus y by 2. Sin x plus sin y. Okay. So applying this here, LHS becomes what? Cos of 2 times cos of 4x plus cos of 2x is 2 times cos of 4x plus 2x, 6x by 2, that is cos 3x. Can I write it like that? Then cos of the 4x minus 2x by 2, x plus cos 3x. Okay, this is cos 3x here. Divided by 2 sine of 4x plus 2x, 6x by 2, 3x into cos of 4x minus 2x by 2, x plus sine 2x. Am I clear? This gives me, I may take something that is common out, that is cos 3x into 2 cos x plus cos 3x. I get it as, when cos 3x is taken out from both these terms, I get this cos 3x into 2 cos x plus cos 3x divided by, from these two terms again I will take what? Sin 3x. Now here this is sin 2x here. This is sin 3x here because this is the value, sin 3x. So sin 3x when taken outside, what will I get? Sin 3x taken outside, 2 cos x plus 1. Now I made a mistake here. No, this is 2 cos x, 2 times cos x plus 1, and this is 2 times cos x plus 1. So this and this cancels, and this gives me what? Cot 3x, which is my RHS. Am I clear? So here what did I do? Whatever that is common in the numerator to these two terms and whatever that is common to the denominator in these two terms is taken outside. That is cos 3x is common for these two terms. So cos 3x taken outside, 2 cos x plus 1 divided by sin 3x common taken outside, 2 cos x plus 1. So 1 plus 2 cos x and 1 plus 2 cos x cancels from the numerator and denominator. That leaves cos 3x by sin 3x, which is cot 3x, according to what is required in the proof. Moving on to the next question. Tan 4x. Now here what we need to prove is tan 4x is equal to 4 tan x into 1 minus tan squared x by 1 minus 6 tan squared x plus tan raised to 4x. This is not something that is big. Okay, very small thing, but very easy one. Only thing is that you need to know the formula for tan 2x. What is tan 2x? 2 tan x by 1 minus tan squared x. So this is the formula that I am going to apply here. Now LHS equals tan of 2 times 2x. Now I consider this 2x as x. So what do I get substituting here? 2 tan 2x by 1 minus tan square 2x. Okay, in the place of x here I have 2x, that's all. So this is equal to 2 times, again, what is tan 2x? 2 tan x by 1 minus tan squared x by 1 minus 2 tan x by 1 minus tan squared x the whole square. Am I clear? So first what did I do? Tan 2 times 2x, that is tan 4x. Now tan 2x is what? 2 tan x by 1 minus tan squared x. So tan 2 of x, this part inside the bracket is considered as a single variable x. So first I'll consider it a single variable, so that gives me 2 tan 2x by 1 minus tan squared 2x. Further, I wrote for tan 2x. I substituted for tan 2x in this expression. Now 2 into 2 gives me 4 tan x by 1 minus tan squared x the whole divided by, can I write this as 1 minus tan squared x the whole square minus 4 tan squared x the whole divided by 1 plus tan squared x the whole square. I just cross multiplied the denominator. This is 4 tan squared x divided by 1 minus tan squared x the whole square. Again 1 minus tan squared x multiplied by this 1 gives me 1 minus tan squared x the whole square minus 4 times tan squared x by 1 plus tan squared x. Now 1 minus tan squared x and 1 minus tan squared x cancels. This is 1 minus tan squared x cancels. Now what do I get? This gives me 4 tan x into 1 minus tan squared x by 1 minus tan squared x the whole square minus 4 times tan squared x. Now let me expand this. This is equal to 4 tan x minus 4 tan squared x, or numerator, what should I prove it as? That is the same. So let that remain as it is. So I am just rubbing it off. 4 tan x into 1 minus tan squared x. That is the same as what I require it in my proof. So this part I will expand. 1 minus 2 tan squared x plus tan raised to 4x minus 4 tan squared x minus 4 tan squared x. Now this is equal to 4 tan x into 1 minus tan squared x by 1 minus 6 tan squared x plus tan raised to 4x. Isn't this my RHS? This is exactly what I need to prove. Am I clear? Okay. Now come to the sixth question. Since I have written it in a very small gap, the answer is very, very small. Cos 4x is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square 2x. Now here I apply the formula. Cos 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x. This is the formula that I applied here. So I have cos of 2 times 2x, right? So LHS equals cos of 2 times 2x. That is 1 minus 2 sin square 2x. Okay, 2 sin square 2x. Now this 2 sin square 2x is same as, I may write this as 1 minus 2 times sin 2x the whole square, isn't it? So this is 1 minus 2 times. Now sin 2x I can write it as 2 sin x cos x. So that is still another formula. Other than this I need one more formula to my proof, that is sin 2x. Sin 2x is equal to what? 2 sin x cos x. Okay, so this is also required. So this I get it like this. So that means 1 minus 2 square is 4. 4 into 2 is 8. Sin square x cos squared x. Isn't this my RHS? Yes. So LHS equals RHS, and that gives me the proof. Now let's see the next question. Here LHS is equal to cos 6x, that is 2 times 3x. Now cos 2x in terms of cos square x, because in this expansion, the entire expansion I have cos only. There is no sign. So what is cos 2x in terms of cos squared x? That is 2 cos square x minus 1. Isn't it? So this is the formula that I am going to use. This gives me 2 cos square 3x. Right? 2 cos square, here 2 x is what? Replace with 3x minus 1. 2 cos square 3x minus 1. Now this is same as 2 cos 3x, the whole square minus 1. Isn't it? Now again, what is cos 3x according to the formula? In the formula we have cos 3x is 4 cos cube x. 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. Okay, so this is the next result. So I have this as, this is equal to, so I have this as 2 times 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x, the whole square minus 1. So this is equal to 2 times what? 16 cos raised to 6x minus 12 into 2, 24 cos raised to 4x plus 9 cos squared x minus 1. So this gives me 32 cos raised to 6x minus 48 cos raised to 4x plus 18 cos squared x minus 1. And that gives my RHS, the proof. Am I clear? Okay. Go through.